have to hide the hurting. You don't have to dress it up. You can bring the heart that's weary. You can bring the heart that's lost. You don't have to find the answers before you come to me. I have known you through the years, and I know what you need. You can lay it down, lay it at my feet. Every fear you carry, every wound you keep. You don't have to hold it, you don't have to pretend. Come to me with all your heart, and let me be your rest. I have seen you wake in morning, wondering how you'll make it through. I have heard the prayers you whispered when there was nothing left to do. I was there when you were breaking, I was there when you were strong, and the love that kept you breathing has been with you all along. You can lay it down, lay it at my feet. Every fear you carry, every wound you keep. You don't have to hold it, you don't have to pretend. Come to me with all your heart, and let me be your rest. There are things you cannot change now. There are years you can't reclaim. But tomorrow isn't asking you to carry yesterday. Let forgiveness have its moment. Let tomorrow wait its turn. There is grace enough for this day, and there is more for you to learn. Lay down the questions, lay down the fear, lay down the memories you've carried for years. Lay down the striving, lay down the need to make yourself worthy before you can receive. Come as you are, come as you are. My love has never asked you to be more than who you are. When you feel you have nothing, that is when you can receive. When your hands are finally empty, there is room for me to lead. So don't be afraid of weakness, don't be ashamed to cry. Sometimes the bravest prayer is simply, Lord, I need you tonight. You can lay it down, lay it at my feet. Every fear you carry, every wound you keep. You don't have to hold it, you don't have to pretend. Come to me with all